And all of the rain we saw today also did cause some flooding across East Tennessee, including one neighborhood in Powell. Today in the Cherrybrook subdivision, rain caused mud from the construction site at the top of the hill to wash down through people's yards. Residents we spoke to told us they were unhappy with the construction even before today's river of mud. Michael Burkey has lived in the neighborhood for more than 50 years, but he says he is concerned for the future of the Cherrybrook subdivision.
Our concern is what it's going to do to the overall amount of water that comes down through here. And from a safety standpoint, because they're putting a retention pond on a hill that is going to be putting a ton of water weight. And that pond, if it ever fails, it's dangerous. And it looks like it's already leaking from just where they were getting started.
Burkey also says the new developments in the area are causing more problems with flooding.